Get north now.
Get north. Someone's not moving.
Not.
They're all moving.
Northwest is
There it is.
On it.
It's on a Doyle. Or Zig.
Minor.
Top off.
Radical inside.
Get to work.
It's done.
Alright,
Little one.
Tentacles.
Don't run along
Stay
the
away
edge.
from
the ring. Stay away.
Yeah,
from
stay
the
away
inner.
from the inner. More Kiro.
Alright, they're up.
Eyes northeast. West, I mean.
It's counterspell, but
I'm inside.
where's Big Eye?
It's casting.
Northeast, or northwest.
Little Eyes again.
Interrupt.
Good job.
Big claw.
dead.
Big claw, get ready for it.
Don't do in a ring. Don't run around in a ring.
Southeast.
Big claw south.
Southwest. It's on O'Doyle.
It's on a Doyle.
Get on him. Get on him.
I got him.
Small tentacles soon.
Small eyes.
I'm eating.
Astron got swallowed from the north. No
Really
tank
good.
up here.
Up there.
Finish
We
that
can
giant.
finish
Finish
it.
that giant.
We can finish it.
Small eyes up. Big
Small
eye
eyes.
north.
About to die.
Big eyes north.
Big Eye now.
Good job.
Interrupt.
My silence is up. I'm silencing it now.
Small Eyes and 5.
He's gonna go vulnerable
You
and
got
like
tats?
really close.
Finish this giant eye right now, and we can just fucking
Ashton, don't
DPS
do
him
it.
out.
Astron.
He's vulnerable. Giant eye down.
Get out, Astron.
He's vulnerable.
Kill these, kill
Small
these.
Little
eyes.
Eyes. There's a giant claw south. Just tank him.
Tank it.
Heal disgruntled, please.
O'Doyle's
He's
tanking all
inside the
help.
stomach.
We need 2 tanks on that. 2.
I'm on it.
75 at least.
Mindrat's tanking.
We can maybe get like
We can
72
get
or
75.
something. We need more on this.
We got it.
No, we
Nice.
got it.
Nice.
Good job.
Very
72.
good.
Giant claw.
Get the claw. Get the claw.
Alright, own this claw.
There's gonna be another one spawning
Ready
very
for
soon.
small eyes. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
here it
up
is.
here.
Astron
North.
gonna
Big
be
claw
on it.
north.
It's up north. It's up north. Astron's on it.
We need 2 to stay on this though. Oh, I guess we've got rogues on it.
TG got eaten.
Small Eyes.
Tentacles. Get away from the ring.
Big claw.
Get away from the rings.
Okay, small eye and
the
big
eye?
eyes next.
Where's the big eye?
It's not up yet.
It's not
Small.
up yet.
Oh, okay.
Small Eyes.
South.
Oh, shit's right here.
It's north. Who's on it? Astron.
No, it's...
Big eyes south. Claw is north. Astron's on the claw.
We need to kill the giant eye.
Yeah, I'm on the claw with
Get
Astron.
it.
Little Eyes.
Tentacles.
Knew she got eaten.
Big one's
Little
done.
Giant eyes
Very
dead.
soon.
Small eyes up.
Okay, little tentacles.
I got eaten.
Big claw south.
It's at 4%.
Mine Rot's on it. Mine Rot's on Doyle on Big Claw South.
We need a
Mine
second,
Rot's low.
a second tank.
How are the
O'Doyle's
flesh
also on
tentacles?
it.
First flesh is at
Xanax
30.
eaten.
Little Eyes.
Big eye northwest.
Finish the big jog. Finish the big claw first. It's at like 10%.
First flesh tentacle's dead. Second's at 80.
Kill giant eye now.
Interrupt.
Small tentacles in 5. Get away from the rings.
Get away from the ring.
Giant eye down.
Good job.
Is the claw dead too?
Yes.
Claw,
Yep,
northwest.
Giant claw north.
Astron's on it.
On Zig.
Zig's
Zig's
on
on
it.
it.
Shagwell eaten.
Get to work, Shag.
You need DPS.
What's that tent at?
Yep, we're coming.
What's that flesh tentacle at?
9.
Little eyes soon.
Eyes,
How's
Get it,
Zinner?
kill it, kill it.
eyes,
It's
eyes,
gonna
eyes.
weaken right
dead.
now.
He's weakened. He's
Nice.
weakened.
Kill this
Take
and then
that,
DPS
take
the fuck out of it.
Or okay.
No, DPS.
The dots will kill
DPS
him.
him.
Yes.
Kill him.
DPS him. Kill Cthulhu.
Should always be on Cthulhu.
We're doing
Sorry
really
about
good
the servants
DPS this
thing.
dude.
Make sure you're in a position to kill the claw tentacle, finish it off once we're done with this.
It's at 8%.
Okay.
Oh my god, Murky's dancing.
He knows we're gonna win.
Keep going.
Get 45. Get
We can
40,
get
man.
No,
better.
get 40.
Get 40.
Screw that.
Stay focused.
Good job.
Good job.
Be in
The
position
tentacle's
to be
down
ready.
too.
Giant claw soon.
Don't stand on the middle thing.
Get away from the rings.
Back away.
Giant
It's
claw.
east.
Giant claw east.
It's east.
Dish. It's on
Heal
dish.
dish. He's
Heal
low.
dish.
Milk or bandage, dude.
Little tentacles soon. Get ready for little tentacles and big. Interrupt this big one as soon as it spawns. We need a counterspell.
The claw's at 30. We can
Small
put it
tentacles
down.
up.
Oh, I'm eating.
It's
That
south.
one's up.
Big eye south.
Finish this giant claw. Finish this giant claw.
It's counter spell.
It's at 15.
Getting mind played.
It doesn't have an
Interrupt.
interrupt on it. Yeah, it's good.
Interrupt, interrupt.
Giant claw's dead.
Giant tentacle's almost dead.
New tent.
Kill the eyes. We got little.
First flesh tentacle is at 20%. I'm leaving.
Somebody top
I'm
tats
out.
off.
Eyes and big.
Small eyes up.
North.
Giant claw.
Big tentacle north.
Top
North.
radical.
We need a
Get on this big claw. Get on this big claw.
Heal Doble, please.
Heal Zig.
Little ones soon.
Little eyes and big
Yep.
eyes.
Sure,
soon.
we have
Get ready.
Rogue
interrupters at every
shift.
spot.
Get ready for the big eye.
Okay, here's
Small
little
eyes
eyes.
up.
It's right.
It's
same
right
place.
there.
I'll got it.
silencing it now.
Finish the giant
Finish
first.
the claw.
It's almost dead.
Keep the interrupt.
Toss Milker a heal. Oh, never mind. He's in the stomach.
He's inside. Get out.
Oh fuck.
O'Doyle, get out.
Interrupt,
Live to get
interrupt.
that low.
I was targeting people too long.
Little eyes.
Be ready for next.
He's gonna
Realize-
weaken soon.
Claw next.
Yeah, he's
North,
gonna
big
weaken
claw.
more now.
He's about to weaken.
He's weakened.
Tank it and
He's not.
kill Cthulhu.
Tank
Use
it.
reckless. Use reckless. Reckless.
Kill Cthulhu.
Oh shit, sorry.
We're gonna be in execute range. If you can get him there faster, get him there.
Working on it.
Okay, we're gonna have another phase.
Yep.
Yeah, we
we're
will,
good.
but the lowest
Go
we
We
execute
need
can
to
now.
DPS this big tentacle.
Execute,
Doom saws and
execute.
execute.
Get in a position to switch to this claw tentacle. It has a
This
lot
one's
of
at
DPS
94. You should probably get on it
We have
now.
t-
Because we'll have time to
Killed
kill
it.
Cthulhu
Yeah,
next
just get on it
time.
now. Just get on it
Yeah,
now.
go
Yeah,
for
get
it.
this.
Go
Claw.
north. Big claw.
Stay focused.
Same
New
spot.
giant
Giant
claw.
claw.
Heal yourself, Minos.
Someone stay on this.
Be ready for
We need
Levi's.
two on this one. The one on Zig's head.
It's dead. It's dead.
Doesn't have to-
It's on Astron.
got
Kill
swallowed.
Astron.
Okay, little eyes
Be
soon.
ready for the new one.
Small eyes soon. Get away from the middle.
Small eye
ready
and
for
big
small.
eye. Small eye and big eye.
Mind Rot and I are on this one. We're fine.
Little eyes, little eyes.
Big eye
There's
north.
big
Big eye
Northeast.
north.
Silencing it, silencing it.
Finished off this large
Giant
one.
claw is almost dead.
Finish the giant claw.
Bear got sucked in.
Get on that giant.
I'm
eye.
still on
This
Ash.
Giant
interrupted.
eye.
It's targeting
Giant eye.
people. Interrupt. We need it interrupted. Alright, it's
Almost
good.
dead.
How we doing
First
on
claw.
flesh tentacles?
The first flesh is under 50. It was when I left.
Small eyes.
Little eyes.
Spread
It's
out.
at 33 right now.
Claw
Pure
southeast.
West side, west side.
I milker got rocked.
Mind on Ion.
The first one's dead.
South.
I got eaten.
Where is it?
Mind on night tanking.
Heal Myra. Southwest.
Tooth needs heals.
Little eyes. Little
I got
eyes.
you too.
Little eyes and big eye. Get ready to silence the big eye.
We almost have him weakened. The flesh tentacle's at
He's
30.
up. He's up.
It's
Get on
gonna
the big
weaken
eye.
really soon.
Eyes are up.
Kill little
Astro,
eyes.
please tell me
Large eye.
you've got that
Oh, silencing it.
20%,
Mind Rod, stay on
I'll
this
get
giant
it.
claw.
10%
Okay,
till
big
Big eye
weaken.
up.
I'm getting eaten.
I got
Weaken
it.
right now.
Finish the
DPS
giant.
Kill
on
him.
5.
Finish the eye and kill him.
Yeah, finish the eye. We can't have that killing us.
We got this. Good job,
He's
guys.
dead. He's dead.
Good. This
You
is
got it, dude.
awesome.
You got it.
Kill
Nice.
the eye so we
fucking
don't
got it.
wipe.
Yes!
Good job.
Nice. Nice fucking
Wow.
job.
Good job.
You know what? Who was it? Carino who said that our children would talk about this day? I don't know about that shit.
Gauntlets and a
Oh, you motherfucker.
What do we get?
What's up? Leather.
Oh wow.
Gauntlets of Annihilation.
Nice fucking job.
That's a... Is that belt good? I don't
What
know.
does Eye of Sifun do?
That belt is
Last-
awesome.
That's the 37
the best.
DPS. rank
Holy
after
shit,
anyone,
that's a
right?
lot of rep.
Nice
How much-
fucking job, guys. 4 a.m.
much-
raid.
How much brood rep
No
was
shit.
God damn, I'm still in combat, what the hell?
Yeah, him too.
We got Void Walkers incoming.
Stage 3
There's a
starting.
Doom Guard
Oh, shit.
sitting inside, gonna own us in a second.
Probably.
Nice job.
We had him to
God, I
what?
have to wake up in
6%
3
after
hours.
the third weekend?
5.
We can kill him in 3 phases if we're good.
Dude, all the
Oh,
warriors
that's
are
nice.
list on the third phase.
Well,
so-
we're not gonna have these potions every time. Supreme power and
Dude.
everything.
Yeah, but we did it with 39.
I was.
so-
What do you mean we're not gonna have those potions?
Every time.
Win EQ 20 a week and we can make those potions easy.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh, it's
Yeah,
your
I'm still
birthday,
sitting-
Vlad?
That
No,
it
Milker
is, yep.
Roll in combat.
Wow.
Good job.
Everyone back out of the middle part. It might be something just proximity, who knows.
I'm not